Do you need a quality work light for your workspace? Check out the Renegade Industrial Magnetic Work Light featuring 420 lumens of brightness. It can run for over 10 hours on low and 3 hours on high. It's small, compact, and full of power. It can provide a 25-meter beam, suitable for a wide variety of uses. This work light has an IPX4 weatherproof rating, so if you accidentally drop it or it gets wet, no need to worry. The strong magnet makes it suitable for a wide range of work areas. Whether you're working on the car, at the workbench, whatever the scenario, it has you covered. Hang it, place it, stand it, no problem. And when it finally runs out of battery, charge it easily with the easy access USB-C charging port. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Or you can grab your own at your nearest TradeTools store or online at TradeTools.com.